Welcome to Renew Your Recipe Studio. This is Herbal Heroes series, your front row seat to the world's most powerful plants. Ever picked a leaf of basil, crushed it between your fingers, and felt instantly uplifted? That sweet, peppery aroma, it's more than a flavor, it's a feeling. From garden pots to global kitchens, basil brings joy, comfort, and a touch of magic to the everyday. But where did this fragrant favorite come from? And why has it captured hearts for thousands of years? Let's follow the trail of basil, leaf by leaf. From caprese salads and pesto sauces to Thai stir-fries, basil's sweet, peppery aroma lifts every dish it touches. It's that perfect blend of warmth and freshness that makes food feel alive. Whether it's twirled into pasta or tossed into a wok, basil always finds a way to shine. One whiff and you're instantly transported to sunshine, summer, and good food. But basil's story stretches far beyond the kitchen. It's been treasured for thousands of years. Basil's history is rich and colorful. Egyptians used it in sacred rituals and embalming, while in India, holy basil, or tulsi, was worshipped as a divine protector. The Greeks and Romans crowned it the king of herbs, believing it brought courage and prosperity. Across ancient worlds, basil was both medicine and magic, a leaf with power and purpose. Basil loves the warmth of the sun and rewards care with lush, fragrant leaves. A little pruning keeps it bushy and bursting with new growth. It's easy to grow, whether in a garden bed, a pot by the window, or even a sunny kitchen corner. Treat it well, and basil gives back in beauty and aroma all season long. Sweet basil brings that classic Italian flavor you know from pasta and pesto. Thai basil adds a spicy anise kick, perfect for stir-fries. And holy basil, revered in traditional medicine, brings a peppery warmth to teas and tonics. Each leaf tells a different story, sweet, spicy, or sacred. It's a flavor adventure in every bite. And beyond its taste, basil brings a bundle of health benefits too. Basil is a natural multitasker. Its essential oils and antioxidants may calm inflammation, fight infections, and support heart health. Some studies even link its scent to stress relief. No wonder just smelling fresh basil feels uplifting. Think of it as flavor therapy for the body and mind. Each basil leaf is a tiny nutrient powerhouse, packed with vitamin K for bone strength, iron for energy, and antioxidants to fight free radicals. Just a handful can freshen your meal and fuel your body. Fresh, fragrant, and functional, that's basil's magic formula. And while it's great for your health, it's also the heart of cuisines around the world. In Italy, basil makes pesto sing. In Thailand, it gives curries and stir-fries their irresistible aroma. In Vietnam, it floats atop a bowl of hot pho. And in the West, it even stars in refreshing cocktails like the basil mojito. No matter the culture, one thing stays true. Basil brings joy and balance to the table. In India, holy basil is a sacred plant, believed to bring peace and protection. In medieval Europe, it symbolized love and loyalty, sometimes even planted as a charm for luck. The Greeks thought basil would only grow where curses were once spoken, giving it a mystical edge. Across the ages, basil has carried both spiritual and symbolic weight, an herb with heart and mystery. And with all that depth, it still asks for just a little care in your kitchen. Add basil at the end of cooking to keep its aroma bright and fresh. Never refrigerate it. Cold bruises its delicate leaves. Instead, store it like flowers in a glass of water at room temperature. With a little love, your basil will stay perky, flavorful, and ready to impress. From sacred temples to street markets, basil has touched hearts and plates across cultures for centuries. It's the scent of celebration, comfort, and care. Proof that good food and good energy often come from the same leaf. One plant, endless stories. That's the true legacy of basil. Want more fragrant facts and flavorful stories? Subscribe and bring the herb garden to your screen.
See you next bite.
This story was brought to life by Renew Your Recipe Studio, where good food meets good stories.